What's going on out there, peeps? All right, let's get back into Vietnam. All right, let's take a look at how things are going again. As usual, we are looking for some kind of bump in the economy, some kind of sign that the economy is doing really good. Reminder to everybody that if you are thinking about buying precious metals, please give a consideration to our friends over at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down in the description. If you are a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free ½ ounce of silver. You guys know I got the second YouTube channel that's really starting to take off over there because there's some things over there that I can't talk about on this channel. So I encourage you to go over there and subscribe so you can get all my lovely voices on videos of all kinds. Anyways, it's growing really quick. Just yesterday, I hit the 16,000 mark, and already it's at 16.5. And I know I have all of you to thank for that. There's some really good stories in there I think you'd be interested in, so I encourage you guys to go check it out. Especially these last groups have been really, really good. You can see the amount of views. That's because the content is really, really good. All right. You guys know I have Pimpy's Investment Chat. It is the same name as the YouTube channel. Over here, we do talk about investment opportunities, gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. It's a good group. There's a lot of information. It's free to join, so I encourage you to come on over there and join us. The link is down below in the description. I did find something out that people don't know what that means. Let me show you something. So if you watch any of my videos, if you're watching the video right now, see right here where it says share more? When I say the link is in the description, this is the description box. See right here where it says show more? If you click it, here's all the different things with the links to them. Okay, so when I say the link is down below in the description, that's where it is. Okay, I'm surprised that a lot of people didn't know that, but I want to make sure to share that with you. You guys can come join me over here on LBRY. It's just like YouTube without all the censoring, editing, and the removal of videos. All my videos are here with no exceptions. That's the great thing about this. They don't censor. They allow you your constitutional right to speak freely. Okay, let's get into Vietnam. Let's see how they're doing over there. Shares soars. That's what we like to hear, stuff like that. Analysts predict historical levels of 1,204 points in the Vietnam index soon. Well, we like that. And if you're into the shares, that's why I'm saying we got to find a way to start investing over there. There is a Vietnam ETF out there, but we want to try to find a way to get directly into the market. And I don't know if that's possible, but we'll find out. Shares advanced at the start of the week with a record trading value, propped up by solid investor confidence in a long-term uptrend. Of course, they should. They should feel happy about it. On the Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange, the Vietnam index increased 1.4% to close Monday at 1,128.89. That's like our, this is like their version. This is like our version of the Dow Jones. Where Dow Jones for us is up like 30,000. They're happy they get up at this level. It's above 1,000. The Southern Market Index gained nearly 6% last week. That's a nice little jump. Overall market breadth was positive. 313 stocks climbing, of which 34 hit the intraday limit growth of 7%, while only 134 fell. Another 55 closed flat. In other words, there's no gain and no loss. So I try to come through here because you guys know I always look for these ones. Anytime we're talking about the different stocks, I always look for the ones that I like. You guys have been listening to me for a while. You know which ones these are. So Vietcom retail, no, but Vina Milk's up there again as usual. Again, this is one of those ones you want to invest in if you can get into the market. They're constantly in the top. This is their #1 milk distributor, I believe, over there. So once again, they are there. So nothing on the real estate because you know which ones I'm looking for there. Anyways, that's a heavyweight. All climbed between 3, 6, 7% for the year. All these did. Nice. Real nice. How we were talking about Vita Milk at the beginning of the year. That'd be a nice little jump in value. Liquidity boomed on Monday with more than 1.5 billion shares worth nearly 948.3 million traded to the two markets, of which the trading values through matchmaking orders hit a record of 19.3 trillion. Nice. That is good news. That's what we like to see, economical growth. Huge volume in new shares. Record liquidity put HOSE system under pressure. That's really good when you're doing so much trading that the system used to handle your trades is under pressure. The Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange technical system was under significant pressure, with billions of new shares recently listed and to be listed on the bourse, and a huge cash inflow which boosted the market liquidity to record highs. This is lovely to hear if you hold on to the Vietnam Dong. Again, we might have some hurdles. Let's hope these hurdles don't get in our way, mainly the new administration. The market liquidity set a new record high in recent weeks, which helped the index increasingly strongly. I like how they word that. This caused the Southern Bourse to run into technical problems recently, although the standard lot was raised 50 to 100 shares. Nice. So, again, you guys know this. We talk about this all the time. These are the types of things you want to see. This stress on the stock exchange. Well, I mean, you don't want the system to crash, but we definitely want to know that it's so busy. That's good to hear. That is so busy that is stressing the system. That's a lot of trading. So it goes on to explain the different types of stocks that were doing a lot of shares, which again, if you're thinking about investing over there, you might want to eyeball this, okay? I will leave the link for this down in the description. Many of you keep asking me where to go buy the Vietnam Dong. Again, over at the NESARA shop, the link is in the description. You're welcome to go buy it there. If you guys buy anything from the NESARA shop, make sure you use discount code Pimpy. It'll save you a couple of bucks. Phu Quoc Island city draws $16.5 billion in investments. That's US dollars. So Vietnam's first island city has attracted 372 projects to date. When they say projects, that's things they need to get manufactured, or I should say built. Like bridges and stuff like that. With capitals totaling some $16.5 billion. Tourism, services, and urban areas are the most attractive sectors, according to the city's authorities, adding that investments in these fields helped Phu Quoc become a second-tier city. Nice. We want to see more growth, you guys. This is what I'm talking about in Vietnam. A lot of growth going on there. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of us want the currencies to wake up one day and all of a sudden just be high and really valued. But the truth of the matter is, you just continue to watch how much they grow. You know they're going to have to start changing the rate to our benefit. But also keep in mind, like Iraq and Iran now, if you own these currencies, the dollar is going to drop in value soon. So the exchange rate against the US dollar will improve in our benefit sooner or later. Major economic corporations such as Vingroup, which is the one we talk about a lot, that's the real estate one, and their company is always up there when it comes to profits that are being made. Sun Group, BIME Group, CEO Group, MIC Group, these groups, anyways, the island's economic growth over the years. So they've had significant growth over the years, and one of them we watch all the time is Vingroup. And with them is Vin Homes. I believe Vin Homes is part of the Vin Group stock. So yeah, that's good. And we know they've been doing good for quite some time. These articles are always longer, but it just goes over how a lot of the different companies are indeed performing. But just know they're doing good. They had a great 2020 despite dealing with the Rona. Industrial real estate is a bright spot in 2020 market. Yes, it was. We spoke about that. That's for sure. The industrial market is the only real estate sector that has enjoyed positive progress in both rentals and occupancy rates during the Rona pandemic. Some provinces with a hot industrial real estate market include, I'm not going to try to go through all those names. These are all real estate brokerage associations, okay? 2020, the average occupancy rate in industrial zones was up more than 70%. Year on year. So despite dealing with the Rona, the increase of 70% since the following year, or since the previous year, this is good. The average factory rental price nationwide was 60 to 80,000 Vietnam dongs per square foot, and the purchasing price for the land in industrial zones with infrastructure ranged from 3 to 5 million dong per square foot. That seems really cheap to us over here, because if you take in consideration the exchange rate, then that's really good. But again, this is one of those things we want to really keep an eye out. The reason why the real estate for industrial is doing really good is because there've been a lot of growth as people move out their companies, their manufacturing companies, out of China and into Vietnam. This growth was necessary. All right, so it looks really good for Vietnam. Their economy is going to continue to grow at some really good pace. That's what we want to see continue to happen. So, you know, again, I keep an eye on all these different markets, but it's almost the same thing, and I don't want to just keep boring you guys to death with the same news. But a lot of you had said it doesn't make a difference. You like to hear it. You like to see what's going on, because some of you are indeed interested in buying into the stock. Now, again, I got to figure out how to do that. I've been saying I was going to, and I've been slacking, if I'm being honest. There's like a million things going on. I apologize for that. I got a lot of personal things going on in my life that's keeping me distracted. So, again, that's no excuse, but just understand that it's been really hard on me. So, anyways, that's it with Vietnam. You guys, let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel. And I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later.